Welcome back, everybody, for part 2 of the transmission rebuild. In this one, you'll see us tearing apart the transmission, cleaning everything up, getting it ready to get put back together, seeing what parts were actually damaged. Hope you enjoy. So what you see here is me building a wood stand for the transmission. This wasn't my idea. This was actually another channel on YouTube called Transmission Bench. He's got all kinds of tutorials and tips and tricks on transmission rebuilding. This was some plans that he has over there on one of his videos, so I will put a link in the description to his channel. Again, it's Transmission Bench. If it wasn't for him, it would have definitely been difficult to rebuild this transmission on my own. So the tool you see me using here was actually another tool that Transmission Bench had built on his channel and shows you how to build. It's for pulling the transmission pump out on this transmission. Use it for a couple other pieces as well farther into the transmission. But it's just a couple pieces of bar stock and some threaded rod. Looks like we're missing the thrust washer. Looks like it melted right off. As you can see, we've got some damage. Still some pieces. Thanks everybody for watching. If you like what you saw in the video, please leave a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay tuned. Here pretty soon we got coming up part number 3 where we put the transmission back together and test drive the truck.